Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.0.43 on Rocky Linux 10. Okay, first to open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, then scroll down, then select MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.0.43. Select it. If you are unable to find the version, you have to click on archives. Then select the operating system RHEL or Oracle Linux. Then select the OS version. See here we don't have 10, but select the latest version 9. See, once we selected it, populated the list of the RPM packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this RPM bundle. So click on download, then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 900 megabytes. Wait until download completes. And see here it is star file. Okay, once download completes, then we will enter this star file and we will install. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Now go to downloads, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the tar file. We have to enter it. tar-xf, then MySQL, then press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install them. Sudo rpm -ivh -no deps, then star.rpm. This command will install all RPM packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, installation is completed. Ctrl L. Now start the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is started and see, MySQL service is enabled and started. Okay, it started 3 seconds ago. Q to quit. Ctrl A. Now connect to MySQL server. To connect to MySQL server, we must have the password of any MySQL user account, but we don't have anything. So we can get the MySQL user temporary password by going to sudo more /etc/ where log mysql d.log, then grep for password. So password, hit enter. See, we have a temporary password is generated for root, and this is a temporary password. Okay, so now set the permanent password. Sudo mysql _secure installation. Now we have to provide this temporary password. This is not same for you. Okay, copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now provide the new password for the root account. Remember this password. Later we need this password to log in. I don't want to change again. No. Remove anonymous users. Yes. No. Yes. Reload. Yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Then provide the password that you have set for this root account. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server version 8.0.43. But we can also verify the version by running select version. See, we have connected to MySQL server 8.0.43. See, you got the same. Okay, Ctrl A. Now verify list of databases. So databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Let us create database. Create database. Then provide the name of the database. Now verify the same. See, we have created database. Back now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the keyword use. Then provide the name of the database. See, database change. Now verify list of tables. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Let us create table and insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Control A. Now we will create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work, but we can get the list of the users by running select user from mysql.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. So create user. Whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. Now verify the same. See, we have created user. Now exit from the current session, then connect to MySQL server with this new user. So MySQL-u, then provide the username -p. Hit enter, then provide the password. It is typo. Now verify. See, we have successfully logged in. Now verify the currently logged in user. Select current_user. See, we have logged into the MySQL server with the user David. Now verify whether we are able to connect to newly created database or not. Use, then provide the name of the database. See, access denied for user David to database back, because we have created user but we haven't granted any privileges. That's why we have received this error. So exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL server 8.0.43 on Rocky Linux 10. Okay, control it. Sudo systemctl stop mysqld. Hit enter. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status mysqld. See, MySQL server is inactive or dead, and it is stopped 4 seconds ago. Quit. Control L. You can also verify the MySQL server status by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root -p. Put the password of the root account. See, you are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start mysqld. Now verify the status. See, MySQL service is active and running. If you want to restart, just you need to give sudo systemctl restart mysqld. We have restarted. See, we have restarted. Okay, until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench or dbeaver on Rocky Linux 10. Okay, or you can go to this mysql.com again and dbeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. Then click on downloads in MySQL official website. Then scroll down. Then click on MySQL community downloads. Then see, here we have the MySQL Workbench. Click on it. Then select the operating system. Then select the version. So select the latest one. Then we have to download this RPM package. Then we have to install it. And see here, dbeaver. See, here we have two versions, dbeaver community and dbeaver pro. dbeaver community is open source. Okay, so click on download. Then click on this RPM package for the Rocky Linux. Then we have to install it. Okay, so we have successfully installed ls. These files are not required anymore. So rm star.rpm. ls, remove this file also. Rm mysql, press the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. Ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install, configure MySQL server 8.0.43 on Rocky Linux 10. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.